Welcome to Outdoor Gear Lab. In today's video, we're excited to showcase one of the most impressive expedition vehicles on the market, the AEV OUTPOST II. If you're an avid adventurer and love exploring off the beaten path, this vehicle is going to blow your mind. As you'll soon see, the OUTPOST II is the ultimate combination of ruggedness, durability, and luxury. This vehicle is designed to take you anywhere your heart desires, whether it's the roughest terrain or the most remote destinations. With robust construction, the OUTPOST II is built to withstand even the toughest conditions. It boasts an impressive list of features, including a fully equipped kitchen, a comfortable sleeping area, and ample storage space for all your gear. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to set up camp and enjoy the great outdoors with this vehicle. But that's not all. The OUTPOST II also offers a high-tech experience with a state-of-the-art sound system, advanced navigation tools, and even a solar panel system to keep you powered up on the go. Overall, the AEV OUTPOST II is the perfect vehicle for any adventure enthusiast who wants to explore the world in comfort and style. So buckle up and join us as we take a closer look at this impressive expedition vehicle. Thanks for tuning into Outdoor Gear Lab. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more outdoor gear reviews and adventure content. Interior of OUTPOST II. The AEV OUTPOST II expedition vehicle is a rugged and highly capable off-road vehicle designed for overland travel and extended off-grid living. The interior of the OUTPOST II is specifically designed to provide a comfortable and functional living space for its occupants, while also being able to withstand the rigors of off-road travel. The interior layout of the OUTPOST II is highly customizable and can be configured to meet the specific needs of its occupants. The base model features a kitchenette with a sink, refrigerator, and stove, as well as a seating area that can be converted into a bed. The vehicle also includes a bathroom with a shower and toilet, as well as ample storage space for gear and supplies. One of the standout features of the OUTPOST II's interior is its rugged construction. The vehicle is built using heavy-duty materials and features a steel frame and aluminum body. The interior components are designed to be highly durable and able to withstand the jostling and vibrations that come with off-road travel. Another key feature of the OUTPOST II's interior is its off-grid capabilities. The vehicle includes a high-capacity battery system and solar panels that allow it to operate entirely off the grid. The kitchenette and bathroom facilities are also designed to function off-grid, with a freshwater tank and a graywater holding tank. Overall, the interior of the AEV OUTPOST II expedition vehicle is designed to provide a highly functional living space that is capable of withstanding the rigors of off-road travel while also offering the comfort and convenience of a modern RV. The exterior of OUTPOST II. The AEV OUTPOST II expedition vehicle is a highly capable off-road vehicle designed for long-range overland travel in remote and rugged terrain. The exterior of the vehicle is built to withstand harsh conditions and provide maximum functionality for the occupants. Starting with the chassis, the AEV OUTPOST II is built on a heavy-duty Ram 55.0 platform with a custom suspension system designed to handle the weight and stresses of off-road travel. The vehicle also features large 41 inches tires for added clearance and traction. Moving to the body, the AEV OUTPOST II has a streamlined, aerodynamic design that minimizes wind resistance and improves fuel efficiency. The exterior is constructed from lightweight, high-strength materials such as aluminum and composite panels to reduce weight and increase durability. The vehicle also features a number of exterior components designed to enhance its off-road capabilities. These include a front-mounted winch, heavy-duty bumpers with integrated recovery points, and rock sliders to protect the vehicle's undercarriage. Additionally, the AEV OUTPOST II has a modular design that allows for easy customization and expansion. The vehicle features a roof rack with a built-in tent, solar panels, and a storage system for gear and supplies. The roof rack can also be equipped with additional accessories such as a light bar, awning, and water storage system. Overall, the exterior of the AEV OUTPOST II expedition vehicle is designed to provide maximum performance and versatility for overland travel in remote and challenging environments. Tech and comfortable with AEV OUTPOST II. The AEV OUTPOST II expedition vehicle incorporates a range of technologies and features to provide a comfortable and efficient experience for outdoor adventure. One key technology feature is the vehicle's electrical system, which includes a lithium-ion battery bank, a solar power system, and a power management system. This allows the vehicle to operate off-grid for extended periods of time, providing power for lighting, appliances, and other equipment. In addition to its electrical system, the AEV OUTPOST II also features a climate control system with heating and air conditioning. This provides a comfortable environment inside the vehicle regardless of the outside temperature. The vehicle's interior is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. It features a modular design with configurable seating and sleeping arrangements, as well as a kitchen area with a sink, stove, and refrigerator. The interior also includes ample storage space for gear and supplies. For outdoor adventure, the AEV Outpost II is equipped with a range of features to enhance its off-road capabilities. These include a custom suspension system, large tires, and heavy-duty bumpers with integrated recovery points. The vehicle also features a front-mounted winch and rock sliders to protect the undercarriage. Finally, the AEV Outpost II includes a number of features designed to make outdoor adventure more convenient and enjoyable. These include a roof-mounted tent with an integrated ladder, a hot water shower system, and an exterior awning for shade and protection from the elements. Overall, the AEV Outpost II Expedition vehicle incorporates a range of technologies and features to provide a comfortable and efficient experience for outdoor adventure while also offering the ruggedness and capability needed for off-road travel in remote and challenging environments. Thank you for tuning into the Outdoor Gear Lab coverage of the AEV Outpost II Expedition vehicle. After an exhilarating journey through some of the most challenging terrains, we have come to the end of this adventure. The AEV Outpost II Expedition vehicle has proven to be a formidable machine that can take on anything that nature throws at it. From rocky mountains to sandy deserts, this vehicle has demonstrated its capabilities as a reliable and versatile platform for exploration. We have seen how the AEV Outpost II is designed to provide a comfortable and safe living space for its occupants, with features such as a kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area. The vehicle's solar power system ensures it is self-sufficient and can operate off the grid for extended periods. As we conclude our coverage, we would like to thank AEV for providing us with this opportunity to witness the capabilities of the Outpost II Expedition vehicle. We hope this exploration has inspired you to embark on your own adventures and discover the beauty of the world around us. Once again, thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. This is the Outdoor Gear Lab.